Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name's Olivia Janelle. In today's video, I'm going to be making something that everybody should be able to make, but somehow mess it up like I have in the past. Something that I extremely dislike and never understood the combination nor the concept. And that is, my friends, scrambled eggs with cheese. Before we get any further, there's a rule. Don't knock it until you try it, because I somehow perfected this a little bit because my personal preference for my eggs is to be over easy to medium, not scrambled with cheese. But over the past few weeks, I have been experimenting a little bit, and I think I'm onto something. My philosophy is that if you've tried food before and you didn't like it, it possibly could mean that it hasn't been done correctly, or it could also mean that you just simply don't like the item. Scrambled eggs over the years have been thrown into a bowl, whisked with a fork, put milk into it, and it just doesn't come out the best. You only need 2 ingredients, but you're never able to actually enjoy the cheese. I figured it out, I perfected it. I know you're hungry, so with all of that said, let's just get right to it. Although this recipe is quite simple, focus on the technique. Start off by cracking 3 to 4 eggs into a bowl using a whisk. Whisk until completely homogenized. In a small to medium-sized pan that works best, add 2 tablespoons of butter and fully coat the bottom of your pan. Next, add the eggs to your pan. Bring all sides of the eggs to the middle. Cook until liking soft scrambled or hard scrambled. For me, I like to add a sprinkle of onion powder and garlic powder. Add your preferred cheese. Don't worry, your cheese will melt on its own. And enjoy. Now let's try it. I know this is gonna be good. There's just something about putting the cheese on top so that you can taste it. Now that's the real reason why I didn't cook the egg with the cheese in it. The cheese still melts, but it's got a great texture to it too. The eggs, they're not dry, they're light, they're fluffy, they're what they're supposed to be. Now I can taste the garlic and I can taste the onion powder, but it's very minimal. You don't need too much, just a little dash, and it's perfect. Now I can go from over easy, over medium, and also to scrambled. And here goes the best part. I want you to look at that. Woo! My hope is that you learned a new way on how to cook scrambled eggs with cheese and take a step into the wild side and try something different. Something that's not out of the ordinary with your eggs. Like I said, I didn't like scrambled eggs at all until I made it this way. Now I love them like this. I'll tell you what, this is definitely not a was it worth it video, but it's definitely a 10 out of 10. And I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. With all of that said, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, please give this video a like, subscribe. Don't forget to juice be yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.